What took you so long?
I took a shit.
You took it. What? Look at you. So beautiful, girl.
Chill. That's what they said. They said I should take pictures more often. I was like,
Oh yeah, I told you she doesn't like. What?
That's exactly what I told him. I was like, I don't.
Everybody's like, you don't like taking
Take
pictures. You should
pictures.
take pictures, Keith.
I don't know why.
And now you look so beautiful. Look at my poses. You want to give me a hug?
No, hi. I just want to hug Moby. You said to hug me in front of you so you can get jealous. I want to hug Moby and I got makeup on his shirt and I was like, see, look at you.
From my heart, you win the club. Hey, Keith. There's something I'm gonna tell you. There's something I want to tell you, like,
For?
yeah.
I feel like you fucking with me.
I'm not fucking with you.
Yes, you is. Because like, you know, turn around and make this face.
No, I'm not gonna do that. It's just I've been trying to tell you this, but I already talked to my aunt about it, but I don't know. So it's been hard for me to tell you, but I'm kind of scared because I don't know if you would want to make this decision with me, because I'm finna leave. Like I understand me. It's not like I got admission at Stanford University in London again because it's been my dream to go there because
Can you just stop while you're ahead?
this is my acceptance letter, and they signed it, and he came in, and my aunt said I should talk to you. I don't know. It's not.
Bring your lightsaber to Stafford?
Yes, Keith, I got the letter. I don't know. Like, I don't know. I've been asking people about it. They're like, you don't have to. I love you, Keith. It's just, I miss London. I miss everything. You know, and you be asking why I don't want to do this.
I asked you that.
You didn't ask me like you gonna. Hey.
It's whatever you want to do. I was like, I'm not gonna be upset. If you want to go, you can go. If that's what you want to do. Yeah.
I can go.
Yeah, I don't know what you're asking me, like for permission. That's what you want to do, then go.
So what will happen to you?
I'll be alright.
You down for the long distance?
Yeah.
Are you sure? So you happy that I got, cause I'll be leaving next month, and then I don't know. Why are you laughing, Keith? Why are you laughing at me?
Because Seth already told me.
Told you what?
He already told me.
What?
He was like, I think Jesus gonna prank you. And I was like, oh, okay.
I'm not pranking you. Prank?
Yeah.
No.
You sure?
No.
Huh.
Why would I want to prank you? I'm telling you, look at this. Look at my name.
I see.
You think it's a prank?
Yeah.
It's not a prank, Keith.
It's not?
No.
Okay.
You wanna let me call my aunt and talk to her, cause I'm not kidding.
Let me call her. Actually,
call her and ask her, cause okay, Seth told me to do a prank. That was a long time ago, but I'm telling you, this thing came in. This has been my dream. My mom knows about it. Like, are you calling her? Okay, call her, cause put it on loudspeaker. Why? Cause I want to hear what she's saying.
Hello? I was thinking, how you doing? Hello? Nothing much. How come you never told me Caesar was leaving next month? To London.
I buy the stuff for you.
Mhm. Oh. Girl, you was playing your part. Okay. Huh? Wow. Well, this is all so new. And okay. That's all I wanted to know. Oh, she's doing real good. I talked to her last night. Oh, of course, of course. Alright, you have a good day now. Bye.
So, yeah. My aunt doesn't lie.
Mhm.
So I'll be gone.
And that's what you want to do? Okay.
Yeah. I still love you though, Keith.
I love you more. If I just start drinking again.
You don't want me to go?
Huh? It's not that I want you to go. I support whatever you want. If you want to go,
Okay.
then go.
Yeah. I'll go. So. Yeah.
I'm just changing my name. What the shit? Let's say you don't even send me shit emojis no more. Did you? Is it all you wanted to tell me?
You want me to say more?
Mm-mm.
You want me to have two acceptance letter? I just have one. I'm sorry, Keith.
What you signed for?
Because you think it's a prank.
Because you play too damn much.
I'm not playing.
Mm-hmm.
Whose signature is this?
I don't know the man. It's fresh.
I can't play to my aunt. She doesn't do something like that. You know the time we tried to prank her? She got so mad because she doesn't prank. It's awful, like I'm telling you.
Mm-hmm.
I know because of what happened last night. You're going to think I'm pranking you.
Yeah.
I'm not, because
Mm.
it's just a... I'm not gonna leave you for this.
Why?
I don't know.
You should go.
Yeah. But Dad said I should go.
You should. I agree with him.
Leave.
I'll be mad if you stay.
Okay. I don't know you would sound like this, because I thought if you get mad or something,
No, because this is benefiting you in your future.
yeah.
And I want you to be like, oh, I stayed because of Kiva. Because Nigel did the exact same thing for his girlfriend. And what happened? She said she found someone better. And now he go to HCC. I don't want stuff to be like that. So, and then when February comes, I'll just help you pack.
Listen,
Yeah. Oh. There's nothing there.
Why you gonna? Cause this smile is not from the heart.
It is. I'm genuinely smiling right now.
You support it, actually?
Yes, you should. Yes. Ooh, these edges though. But and Granny told me that she was like, and I was like, yeah.